Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about a simple exercise that you can do at home to help you lose weight. These exercises are easy to follow and require little to no equipment. So whether you are a beginner or an experienced fitness enthusiast, this exercise will help you get in a shape and achieve your weight loss goals. Exercise number 1. Jumping jacks. Let's start with a classic cardio exercise, jumping jacks. Stand with your feet together and arms by your side. Then jump while simultaneously spreading your legs and raising your arms above your head. Then jump back to the standing position. Repeat this for 30 seconds to 1 minute and gradually increase your time as you become more comfortable. Exercise number 2. Squats. Squats are an excellent lower body exercise that targets your thighs, glutes and core. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, toes pointing slightly outwards, and squat down as if you are sitting in a chair. Make sure to keep your back straight and your knees behind your toes. Then push back up to the starting position. Repeat this for 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Exercise number 3. Push-ups. Push-ups are an excellent exercise for strengthening your upper body and core. Start in a plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Lower your body towards the ground, keeping your elbows close to your body, and push back up to the standing position. Repeat this for 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Exercise number 4. Lunges. Lunges are another great lower body exercise that targets your thighs and glutes. Stand with your feet hip width apart and take a big step forward with your right foot. Lower your body down until your right thigh is parallel to the ground and your left knee is almost touching the floor. Push back up to the starting position and repeat with your left legs. Do 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps for each leg. Exercise number 5. Plank. The plank is an excellent exercise for strengthening your core. Start in a push-up position and lower yourself down onto your forearms. Make sure your elbows are directly beneath your shoulders and your body is in a straight line from head to toe. Hold this position for 3 seconds to 1 minute and gradually increase your time as you become more comfortable. Exercise number 6. Mountain climbers. Mountain climbers are an excellent cardio exercise that targets your core, shoulders and legs. Start in a plank position and bring your right knee towards your chest. Then quickly switch legs, bringing your left knee towards your chest. Continue alternating your legs for 3 seconds to 1 minute and gradually increase your time as you become more comfortable. Exercise number 7. Bicycle crunches. Bicycle crunches are an excellent exercise for strengthening your abs and obliques. Lie on your back with your knees bent and your hands behind your head. Lift your shoulder blades off the ground and bringing your right elbow towards your left knee. Then switch, bringing your left elbow towards your right knee. Continue alternating for 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Exercise number 8. Burpees. Burpees are a full body exercise that targets your core, legs and upper body. Start in a standing position, then squat down and place your hands on the ground. Kick your feet back into a plank position, then quickly jump your feet back to your hands and stand up. Do 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. That's it for our 8 simple exercises to help you lose weight at home. Remember to start slowly and gradually increase your intensity and time as you become more comfortable. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already done. So thanks for watching and see you next time.